Danke bafethu. Nangubhuti lana bafethu uMthokozisi Dladla uyichaza kahle kakhulu igame yezolo nanokuthi ama-player aperforme kanjani, obani abangaphefomanga. Asimlalele bafethu simuzwe ukuthi uthini.
Yeah, afternoon Nkuli. Umthokozisi okhulumayo Dladla Johannesburg. Yazi igame yezolo I think i-Chiefs beyinayo i-chance yokuthi ngayiwina leya game masokhuluma iqiniso. Especially second half because first half they didn't give much. They didn't do nothing. Even Al-Masri abengena performance. I think they were still finding each other ukuthi ubani ozanani kanjani, especially thina kuma wing wethu Pulemodi no Ashley Dupree. Ayibhuti bafile labantu masokhuluma iqiniso. uPulemodi angazi ukuthi yini enza ukuthi bamthande kangako ucoach because uPulemodi mangothi uyacheck udlala almost wonke ama-game esinawo. Almost wonke ama-game esinawo unless mhlawumbe une-injury or lo mhlawumbe une-card, then that's where ungazombona khona. Sometimes uyaqala ama-game, sometimes uyangena ngama-second half, but the guy doesn't give us nothing masokhuluma iqiniso because uPulemodi akanama-assist, uPulemodi akakori, uPulemodi uyi-waste. He's a good player. Lapho ngeke size sishonele nale. uPulemodi is a good player but I don't think good enough for i-Kaizer Chiefs. I think bangamlona even to any other team lapha azokhona ukudlala khona out of pressure, maybe ijezi lamsinda le-Kaizer Chiefs, I don't know. Dupree, hey, kunzima kaDupree. Yazi uDupree I think is almost finishing 10 years manje kwi-Kaizer Chiefs. I don't think ukuthi ufikile ngisho emagolini ayi-15 akawakorile for i-Kaizer Chiefs. As a striker fanele ungabe wenza kangcono kakhulu. Yes, i-Kaizer Chiefs ngiya-understand ukuthi for the past few years beyi-strugglisha, even namanje they still struggling Kaizer Chiefs. That's why abadlali abanjengoSamukelo Zwane, uSamukelo Zwane ama-good player. That's why bangafanishini kahle kwi-Chiefs because the team is struggling. And I think i-Chiefs iyamdinga ucoach ozokhona ukuthi akwazi ukusebenzisa ama-youngsters etimini because these players they are good. Ukudlala ngabantu abanjengo-Inacio Miguel, I don't think ukuthi it's gonna work for Kaizer Chiefs. I don't wanna lie. Yena is a good player but not for Chiefs. Akekho right for i-Chiefs. And useyiprovile leyo nto kaningi ukuthi akekho right for i-Chiefs. Once you put them under pressure, that's where they can show you ukuthi abakwazi ukudefenda. If bathola i-team ezobadlalisa under pressure, i-team ezolokhu izile kubona, then they will have a problem. That means we don't have defenders. Because even now Eden McCarthy is good enyaweni, mayephethe ibhola kwi-passing yakhe usharp, but aerially umjida sesiconsider amagoli amaningi kakhulu kukhona Eden McCarthy. He's always lost his marker. Sometimes i-mark yakho kumele uyifile Nkuli, kumele uyifile i-mark yakho la uyizwe uphefumula la kuwena. Don't lost your mark elokhu njene kwi-box yakho because wena ufanele u-one leya box, and umfana kunzima kakhulu for yena, kunzima kakhulu. A stand-up player for yesterday I think uCross ungidlalele kamnandi kakhulu. Umjito ugude kakhulu kwi-marking yakhe, ugude kwi-passing yakhe, uku-read igame yakhona. Njengoba bewusho I think uThabiso Umunyana egemini yezolo bengaba ngcono kakhulu than uSolomon. Yes, the guy scored but he gave us nothing yesterday masokhuluma iqiniso. Size kumthethwa, hey umthethwa noCele, yeah kunzima, kunzima. Yabona ama-midfielder wethu I think into ebulala kakhulu i-Chiefs ey'ntweni ey'ningi kakhulu ama-midfielder wethu. I think mina izolo bekufanele basebenzise uNgcobo naye umthethwa because umthetho ugude kwi-covering spaces. I-team mayisuke isi-attack can cover space fast, uyakhona ukuthi a-read igame. Although naye leliya goli lokuqala le-penalty labathole khona i-penalty, I think umjito ufambulile laphaya uCele umthetho because ukwinika into ebekufanele ukuthi ayenze lapha bekufanele ukuthi angalandeli lo muntu obephethe ibhola. bekufanele ukuthi angamlandeli lo muntu loya amele ugoalkeeper ukuthi kube uyena ozosho ukuthi uzokhona ukuphuma noma ngeke azapha. Mawumile uvala ispace ukuthi lo muntu angakhona ukucross, but mawuya kuye uvulela laba abanye ukuthi bathole ispace sokungena eboxini. That was happened yesterday. And then umthethwa uyamphelezela lo muntu. If umuntu uhamba nebhola ngaka right, uphethe ibhola ngonyawo lakhe laka right, and then wena uyateta emva kwakhe, uyamnikeza chance ukuthi akwazi ukuthena ngo left wakhe abuyisele ibhola eboxini, then kuzoba iproblem because manje angeke usakhona ukummaka. Uzoshiya unyawo lakhe laka left, mayishiya unyawo lakhe laka left ulishiyela ukuthi umthinte, and then kube penalty. That's why umthethwa esabile ukuthi amthinte until ugoalkeeper, naye ugoalkeeper ube undecided zona ukuthi ngiyaphuma ngiyama, and then wa decide ukuthi uyaphuma. Maye phuma naye bekufanele ukuthi aphuma vale aclose space, abe just try azama ukuthi abe big enough for ukuthi umjida micross ibhola kube nzima kuyena, but he failed. Uchoose ukuthi ayokhomita and bengeke azalithola ibhola. I don't know, goalkeeper sometimes banowenza ama fumbling mistake because awuphume epaleni ungenasho ukuthi ibhola uzolithola noma ngeke uzolithola na. Sometimes kufanele ukuthi you stood your ground, ulinde ukuthi ubone ukuthi lo muntu mayekhahlela ngakhona ukusave noma cha, because kuleya angle lo yamjide bekuyona ubekuyi wide angle, so bekungekho easy ukuthi akore noma kanjani lapha unless uyamchipha. But if he stood his ground, maybe bezokhona ukusave than ukuphuma enze ngale ndlela kenze ngayo. Yabona igame ibe ngcono makungena uVelebhai no lo mfana lo noVilakazi, because uShabalala gave us nothing also yesterday. Masokhuluma uqiniso, uShabalala kasinika ngalutho, ispace sika Sereno sona besibonakala. As for ama substitution ka George Mahlow no Maboyi, yes uMaboyi ngimbonile ukuthi umjida yena he can hold the ball, but rusty too much because he's not playing. George Mahlow I know ukuthi angeke asiphe next, angeke azasiphe next. I don't even know ukuthi why bamgcinele uKaizer Chiefs. We waste lapha. I think iKaizer Chiefs nama player amaningi andisi squad for nothing. And when it comes to ama coaching wethu, ayikho ama coach ane problem, but masokhuluma iqiniso ama coach kusekude kakhulu ukuthi iChiefs yenze kahle because bona babuka ama game ngendlela yabo yase North America. Lapho kuse South Africa ibhola la lifast kakhulu, ileague yala ifast kakhulu, and ileague yala different kakhulu. Ama player owasebenzayo kumele wasebenzise based on ama strength wabo, not ukuthi uyacabanga ukuthi ngoba le team phela le team besodlala nawo but ayikho sharp. Masokhuluma iqiniso, it's not a good team ukuthi bese ngastrugglisha ngale ndlela. Into eyenza ukuthi sigcine silose igame, we fail to control the game. Igame uyicontrola ngokuthi midfielder yakho ibe nabantu abakwazi ukubamba ibhola and think. We need thinkers kwiKaizer Chiefs and we don't have. That's why sinama situation aso sisazoluza amagame amaningi useless but because asinawo ama player amathinker. Ngiyabonga mfethu.